Cats are known for their cleanliness, as they spend a good portion of their day grooming themselves. However, there are still some cat cleaning tips that cat owners can follow to help keep their feline friends clean and healthy. Cats are renowned for their impeccable cleanliness and grooming habits. However, as responsible pet owners, it's essential to lend a helping hand in maintaining their hygiene and overall well-being. Regular cleaning and grooming not only keep your feline friend looking their best but also contribute to their health and happiness. In this video, we will provide you with some valuable cat cleaning tips to ensure your beloved companion stays perfectly clean. Brushing, the key to a lustrous coat. Regular brushing is crucial to maintaining a healthy and shiny coat for your cat. Not only does it remove loose fur and prevent matting, but it also helps distribute natural oils, keeping their skin moisturized. Short-haired cats benefit from a weekly brushing session, while long-haired breeds require more frequent grooming to prevent tangles and hairballs. Use a suitable brush or comb depending on your cat's fur type, and remember to be gentle and patient to make the experience enjoyable for both of you. Bathing, the occasional splash. Most cats are naturally adept at keeping themselves clean, and their grooming routines typically do not require regular bathing. However, some situations may call for an occasional bath, such as if your cat gets into something sticky or develops a skin condition. When bathing your feline companion, use a cat-specific shampoo and lukewarm water. Ensure you create a calm and safe environment, speak soothingly, and provide treats to make the experience positive. Remember to dry your cat thoroughly with a towel afterward to prevent them from feeling cold. Dental care, fresh breath and healthy teeth. Maintaining good oral hygiene is vital for your cat's overall health. Establishing a dental care routine from an early age helps prevent dental diseases and ensures fresh breath. Regular brushing with a soft toothbrush and cat-friendly toothpaste can help remove plaque and tartar buildup. Start slowly, allowing your cat to get used to the process, and gradually increase the duration and frequency of brushing sessions. Additionally, providing dental treats or incorporating dental toys can assist in keeping your cat's teeth clean. Eye and ear cleaning, clear and sparkling senses. Cats' eyes and ears are prone to collecting debris and dirt. Inspect your cat's eyes regularly for any signs of redness, discharge, or swelling. Gently wipe away any crust or discharge from the corners of their eyes using a soft, damp cloth or a cotton ball moistened with sterile saline solution. When it comes to cleaning their ears, use a specially formulated cat ear cleaner and cotton balls to remove wax buildup. Remember to be gentle and avoid inserting anything deep into the ear canal to prevent injury. Nail trimming, keeping claws in check. Cats' nails can grow long and sharp, leading to discomfort or accidental scratching. Regular nail trims help keep their claws at an appropriate length and reduce the risk of injury. Use cat nail clippers or a nail grinder designed for pets. If you're unsure about trimming your cat's nails, consult your veterinarian or a professional groomer for guidance. Be cautious not to cut into the sensitive part of the nail that can cause bleeding and pain. Reward your cat with treats and praise to create a positive association with nail trims. Cleaning the litter box. Another important aspect of cat cleaning is cleaning the litter box. Cats are naturally clean animals, and they prefer to have a clean litter box to use. The litter box should be scooped daily to remove any waste and clumps. It should also be completely emptied and cleaned with soap and water on a regular basis. The frequency of cleaning depends on the number of cats in the household and how often they use the litter box. Vacuuming and cleaning furniture. Invest in a good quality vacuum cleaner equipped with a pet hair attachment to keep your furniture and carpets free from fur. Regular vacuuming not only removes loose hairs but also helps reduce allergens. For fabric-covered furniture, use a lint roller or a damp cloth to pick up stray hairs. Consider using furniture covers or throws to protect your upholstery. Cat-friendly cleaning products. When cleaning your home, it's important to choose pet-friendly cleaning products. Many conventional cleaning agents contain harsh chemicals that can be toxic to cats if ingested or inhaled. Opt for pet-safe, non-toxic cleaners that effectively eliminate odors and stains without posing a risk to your furry friend's health. Natural alternatives like vinegar and baking soda can also be used to tackle various cleaning tasks. Regular veterinary checkups. Maintaining your cat's health is an essential aspect of cleanliness. Regular veterinary checkups help ensure your cat is free from parasites, infections, and other health issues that could contribute to an unclean environment. Keep up to date with vaccinations and deworming treatments recommended by your veterinarian. Minimize clutter and provide scratching alternatives. Cats are naturally inclined to scratch, and if they don't have appropriate outlets for this behavior, they may choose your furniture instead. To minimize the impact on your home's cleanliness, provide your cat with designated scratching posts or boards. Encourage their use by sprinkling catnip or using positive reinforcement techniques. Additionally, keeping clutter to a minimum reduces the number of surfaces where fur and dust can accumulate. Cats are generally very clean animals, but there are still things that cat owners can do to help keep them healthy and happy. Regular brushing, occasional bathing, cleaning the litter box, cleaning their eyes and ears, and nail trimming are all important parts of cat cleaning. By following these tips, cat owners can help ensure that their feline friends stay clean and healthy.